Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a mosquito trap to catch lots of mosquitoes. Keep watching. You will need the following ingredients for the mosquito trap. Warm water is needed to dissolve the yeast. A black bucket works best for this trap. Mix the ingredients together. The yeast and sugar will attract the mosquitoes. Dishwashing liquid breaks the surface tension of the water, causing the mosquitoes to drown. The trap will not work without the dishwashing liquid. Empty the contents of the bucket on a white paper towel. It is difficult to see the mosquitoes against the concrete background. I think it is time for a plan B. I used a paper towel against a white background for the remaining contents in the bucket. Unfortunately, half of the sample was used with the paper towel on the concrete background, but still a number of mosquitoes on the new paper towel. I caught about 50 mosquitoes. Unfortunately, some of the sample was spilled on the concrete and it was difficult to see the mosquitoes against the concrete background. Make at least 3 to 5 traps to catch hundreds of mosquitoes. I used too much yeast and not enough sugar, but the trap still worked well. I added 5 drops of dishwashing liquid and the water was a bit foamy. Try 3 drops maximum. Final points. White bucket. The trap will not work. Trap will not work without dishwashing liquid or all. Trap will not work if it is placed in an overexposed to light area. I suggest you leave the trap for at least a week for better results. This is your channel for bright ideas. Until next time.